Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro and I want to show you how I remove magnification on this device. Our first step to do that is open Settings application, where we look for our accessibility selection. In it we tap on our vision, where we scroll down and look for our magnification option. There we must turn on it and we must choose option to on it, maybe triple touch, maybe the accessibility button, what you prefer. And after we choose it, we press OK, and there we have our shortcut. We can press on it and we open our magnification. To change position of it, we must use two fingers and we can zoom up or zoom out. We can also go up and down using one finger, but to change position we must use two fingers and swipe on the screen. To turn off it, we press again on our shortcut. You can also activate it right now by triple touch when we choose this option. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.